Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You should not create or operate a device designed to intercept mobile network traffic. That crosses legal and ethical lines. Instead, focus on legitimate hobbyist work, software-defined radio for public broadcasts and unlicensed bands. Once done, make sure to check your country's radio rules and licensing before transmitting. Begin by acquiring an inexpensive RTL SDR dongle, a broadband antenna, and installing common receiver software. This gets you hands-on experience with signals without breaking the law. Now proceed to practical, legal experimentation. Install the SDR drivers and a receiver client, then capture strong, public signals like FM radio and weather satellite transmissions. Once done, make sure to calibrate your antenna and use the waterfall view to spot active frequencies and signal patterns. This teaches you how carriers appear without touching cellular content. Experiment with basic demodulation, FM, and common digital modes on unlicensed bands, and document settings that produce clean reception for later learning. Complete your legal SDR project by organizing recorded captures, noting software settings, and optimizing antenna placement for better signal-to-noise ratio. Once done, validate results by comparing different antennas and filter settings to see measurable improvement. If you hit problems, check the basics first. Correct drivers, cable integrity, connectors, and USB power. If interference or legality questions arise, stop transmitting and consult local regulators or an amateur radio club for guidance. They'll help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.